you? I can't look. No.
At least it's fiction, not realistic.
I don't know if that's a positive or a negative.
I mean, you and him are too chicken to do it, so.
He's just not a role breaker, okay?
Oh no, our power's gonna shut off. Archie, quick, pay
I
the
am
bills.
so pissed right now. I wasn't.
Pay the bill.
I was trying.
With no soul.
I was trying to keep this very cool. I was hoping that this wouldn't happen, but it happened. I'm so mad right now. Why?
Oh, that was a nice crack. Who is on? Where did?
Oh my God.
I'm so confused.
Good. Just hug. Yeah, that's it. Please. That's it. Just talk. Just talk. There's only. Okay. Do an impression. Do a funny thing. You know.
Do a funny thing.
Oh my God. Why are you so freaking flirty?
Why aren't you?
No, but he's just like flirty. I mean, she is too. But he's actually. Oh my God. No. 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 No.
Oh my God.
No.
He just mastered the violin skill. He started playing it 2 days ago.
Cool. No. He's trying to kiss her.
Is she rejecting?
I don't know. It hasn't happened yet. I'm so mad. This is what you've done to me. Oh, she's the one that did it.
What?
She was the one that did it, and I was judging him. I was like, "Why are you doing that?" And then I just realized she's the one that did it. Have a conversation. You're gonna stay in this room. Look at all the options. Pick up line, kiss hands, hold hands, flirt, compliment appearance, blow a kiss, ask a risk question. Risky question.
It's risky. Not risque.
Or whatever, it's risk.
E.
No.
Yes.
RISQUE.
Risky.
Whatever. Anyways,
Yeah.
it's all. I have to go to the friendly bar now just to get something.
A day.
If you say so.
Life
He's flirting.
of a
Oh my God.
old person.
And I'm just like getting deep conversations. He is flirt AF. He was just thinking about cats. That was great. I'm sorry. I kind of can't hear.
Wait.
Oh, now she's doing. Seriously? I mean, I do compliment his appearance, not so what? Ow! What? Okay. Oh my God. Okay.
Lots of them.
Lots of sleepy snaps.
No, not sleepy snaps.
I said sleepy snaps.
In Vogue.
Why are you two so freaking?
It's like toddlerhood. Like, do your homework.
It's still 11. They still have some socializing to do. Oh my God. Like what? Why are they all like flirty actions? Wait. Oh no, she's doing it. No! 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 I'm done.
Okay.
I'm done. Is it 12 o'clock yet? Is it 12 o'clock yet? Ah!
Why do you want it to be 12 o'clock?
Because they're making out.
So?
Ah! No! It's only 11:42! I can't bear to see this anymore. No. No, I can't look at my camera either. Stop it. Good. You two just stop it. Leave!
Oh my, if you just broke the PC, I'm going to murder you. Oh, well, guess you're dying today.
Get out of there.
Okay,
Get
let's
out.
Kill ya.
Get out. Go. Just go
First,
start
let's
painting.
replace it.
You know what? Just for a remembrance of this night, because I'm freaking embarrassed.
Oh my god, why is everything breaking?
And you asked for this. Jacob, you asked for this.
Why is everything breaking?
I'm so mad right now. I'm so mad. Oh no. Just no. Just no. No. Absolutely no.
Nice butt.
What? Are you talking about my suit?
No, my suit.
Oh.
Jordan, who's an elder?
I'm done with you.
Elder.
Look at what you did. Ouch! That's kick.
Wait, I didn't
Look what
even
you
do
did to
anything.
this face. This face. You ruined their lives. Don't you dare kick me. No! Ow! This is what you've done. I can't with you anymore. I can't! Ow! I can't.